Well, I'll use this little video here to do the first segment of River Walk 2013. Fourth one of the year. Already started from up the creek. Should have started my video up there, I guess, but we'll start down here. Hi guys, back to it again. This time I brought Willie. Sorry to say, Mr. Charlie couldn't make it this year. He finally passed away on us. Sorry, Charlie. But Willie gets to come down here and see where we come every year. Down here at the springs. It's kind of a walk. Let you take a look around. Know one thing, I could never just let him go. Not yet. It's gonna take a while to get him used to that. Where's Joey? Oh, Willie, come here. And Joey's back there. See if we can get some. Oh, here we go. It will zoom in. Well, right down there is a Martin Spring and shelter house, where we go every year. Back out and call it this one. Peace, guys.